I will walk you through on how to create a professional job application letter with the help of Google Gemini integrated in Google Docs that will make you stand out to get the job. The first step is to launch your Chrome web browser. Visit docs.google.com. That's the web link here. I'll press enter key of my computer keyboard. You'll find yourself on a page that looks like this. So let's start with blank documents. So I'll click on this. Once the doc file opens, okay, just give it a title first. Let's call this application letter, all right? Then enter to save the name. On this page, where you have to write your text, ask AI to help you. Okay, you'll have this AI option here, Gemini AI here. You'll have it here as well. So either you go through this way, or you go through this way, or click here to search or request what you want it to do for you. And note, for you to have this feature here or here included in the document, you must be subscribed to either Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra. So these two gives you this feature in your documents. So let's now draft what you want this to create for us. In this case, this is my interest in this case. So your interest may be different. Just describe what you want it to do for you. And it says, write a professional job application letter that will be sent to Microsoft branch office in New York City, United States. Okay, United States. The position I'm seeking for is that of cybersecurity analyst. I am the owner of YouTube channel, which is this, youtube.com/asgodwintech247, and convince them that I am fit for the job. All right. So if you have maybe an external web link that you can give to the AI to do a better job, that is excellent. All right. So that it will scan through and make sure, okay, look at the skills you have and you can do that particular task. All right. So it will help them in case of job application. So click on this plus sign where you have sources and click here and ensure that web, chat, Gmail, and Drive is selected. These are sources that will help the Gemini to get important informations. Okay, by default, Drive and Gmail is selected, but that's not enough. Allow it to go through chat and also through web, especially through web, so that it will get some other vital information that will help you stand out. Then after that, click out. So the next step is to click on submit. Gemini has come up with a very professional application letter. First, it's quoted my name, Godwin Tech, because it has detected that Gmail account was created with this name, Godwin Tech. All right. So if maybe your name is different, maybe Kelvin Smart, it will quote that because it has access to your Gmail as well as your Drive. So it knows the name on it. Then it quoted my email. Here is place, address. Maybe I click here and search for my address or type it in for it to include that too. All right. Then persons, you can click here and it will give you some email addresses you can attach, maybe different from this one here. All right. Date, you click here and add the date you are submitting that application letter. All right, the job application letter. And in this case, let's say I want to submit it today. I'll click there and select June 30, 2026. All right, time. Okay, let's choose any time of my choice here. Time zone. Okay, it's West Africa. We click on add it. I'll click on OK and I'll click on OK. All right, so you can see it has quoted the date. So once you take your cursor to anywhere information needs to be filled, you'll be given some options on how to fill that. Then look at the application letter. You see application for cybersecurity analyst position. Dear hiring manager, I am writing to formally express my enthusiastic interest in cybersecurity analyst position at Microsoft New York City office. As a dedicated cybersecurity professional with a background in threat defense and a passion for technology education. So it has dictated through my YouTube channel that I teach technology. All right. So if you read through to the end, you will find out that this is very clean, an excellent job application letter. All right. So here, person, I need to still click there and add my name and erase this. All right. And after that, I can copy this, get to my email, and do what? Send it. Or I can generate an attachment of this particular stuff after I have done all the editing I need to do in it. For example, removing this and adding my own real name. All right. So take for example, I want to save this into my PC to submit later. All I need to do is to click on File. Then on clicking on File, I have some options. Then I can click on this download and download in Word format or PDF. All right. So let's say I want to download it in PDF format. There's even EPUB and Markdown. So there are a lot of formats you can download this in depending on the instruction given to you by the person employing. So in this case, let's download in PDF. I'll click on that. So it will be downloaded into my PC. You can see it has been downloaded into the PC folder. All right, the downloads folder of my PC. If I get there, I will see it. I wanted to open it automatically, but it could not open it. No problem. I can open that on my own. All right, and this is how to do that in easy steps. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. Thank you and see you some other time.